Making sure the audio's playing. Alright, good to go. Hey guys, it's a late night video today, but I was going over through some things and I came up with a great video idea that just didn't want to forget, so went ahead and made a video out of it, or making a video out of it. And today's video, guys, is how to truly make someone regret leaving you. And full disclosure, guys, this video is mostly for those of you guys that got dumped without there being any signs or without you guys even knowing that you guys were gonna get dumped. It's not for those of you guys that got cheated on your ex found out and you got dumped. It's not for you guys. If you guys want to get back with your ex, honestly guys, that's a whole nother topic that I'll probably make a video on, but it's not for you to decide. It's gonna be for them. If they want to be with somebody that they know cheat on them. And again, guys, it's gonna be another video topic. It's possibly not my next one, the following one. I'll make a video out of that. But this video is for those of you guys again that got dumped without you guys knowing, which is majority of you guys, honestly. So you want your ex to regret leaving you, and that's kind of harsh to say, guys, but it's honest truth. We're all human beings, and at the end of the day, we want those who did harm to us to suffer in a way. And I'm just being 100% honest with you guys. A lot of us are all like that, and it's just human nature. So, what can you do? And this is going to be mind-blowing to you guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure many of you guys aren't going to be expecting this. But it is the most simplest thing you can do, and that is to improve yourself. By simply improving yourself, guys, to being better than when you guys were when they left you guys, that is going to be the biggest slap to the face that they could possibly get. Why? Because subconsciously, without an ex knowing or the person who dumped you knowing, they want to know that you're in a position where you're weak because they left you. And they know that you're going to be hurting. They're never going to admit it to you guys. I'm telling you guys right now. They will never admit to you guys that they want to see you guys suffer. And it's harsh to say, guys, but that's honest truth. And by you guys improving yourselves, whether, again, like I've always said in my previous videos, whether it's physically or mentally, you're showing them that you never really needed them. That you were living your life, and if they were a compliment to your life, which is what every relationship should be, your partner should be a compliment to your life, not your life. Then it's just going to go to show them, guys, that you could do it without them. You could find success without them, and that's the biggest take out of this. Just improve yourselves, guys. Just by improving yourselves, I'm telling you, I've been there myself. I've seen many people go through breakups, and by them improving themselves, game changers, guys. That's a game changer mentality right there. Let me look at my notes real quick. And another thing that, guys, you guys understand is, again, subconsciously, they will never tell you this, but when they leave you, they don't want to see you with somebody else. They will never want to see you go date other people, because that's not the purpose they ended it with you. They ended it with you because they thought that they could find other people. And let me tell you guys, the grass is green on the other side syndrome, it's real. They're going to go through it. They're going to believe that every single guy or girl they meet out there is going to be better than you. And if you were getting for the majority of relationships, even though you started declining, which led to the breakup, it's not that easy, guys. It's really not that easy. They're going to be thinking about you. They're going to be comparing the new guy to you. Maybe not the rebound, but the guys following or girls following you. They're going to be thinking about you. And that is the honest truth. But again, they will never admit this to you guys. I don't understand why people will just become straightforward and admit things and just say, if they regret losing you, they should just admit it. But people just won't do that. They have too much self-respect for themselves. And it sucks, guys, honestly, that it takes a breakup for you guys to start doing this to yourself, start improving yourself. Because, and this is what I notice about a lot of people. A lot of people have to be like in their lowest to actually start doing changes in their lives that could be beneficial to them in the future. And that's idiotic, in my opinion, guys. That is the most stupidest thing, yes, anybody in actually could do. Be on your lowest to finally start changing your lives in a way that could be successful. But that's just the honest truth. I'm guilty of that too. It took a big ass breakup in my life to get me to where I am now and get me to the right mindset. It took a while, but I'm finally getting there, guys. And trust me, it's a grind. There's gonna be a lot of times where you want to give up, but don't. Just push forward, keep pushing, and those who are around you, your social circle, who are your true friends, so use their support to move on, guys. Like, have them help you improve yourself. Don't think you're on this alone. You're not. Those true friends of yours will be a great support beam to get you guys to where you guys want to be. Um, but yeah, guys. I mean, that's the whole point of it. Just improve yourself. And if you're wondering how you're actually gonna find out that you're improving yourself, believe me, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, they're gonna get word of it some way somehow. I'm not a big social media person, but I know a lot of people who are, who go through breakups, and what they end up doing. And this is a tip for you guys: is post stuff on social media. Don't do it with the intent of having them notice, because in all honesty, guys, if they break up with you, I'm a strong believer you should delete them from social media. That's just my 2 cents. To you, what you guys want to do, but post things on your social media. But posting because you mean it. Like, like, let's say you weigh 250 when you break up, and now you weigh 220, and you want to show your weight loss. Post that, guys, because that is a great success. That is a goal that it's hard to achieve. Losing 30 pounds is not that easy. Let's say you were scrawny when you guys ended it, and now you put some muscle on you. Post that. Why? That is a great goal. That's success. You guys are finding success by improving yourselves. That is a whole motto. If she's no longer in your friends list, or you blocked her, whatever the case may be, her friends or your friends, and if you guys have mutual friends, they're gonna end up showing it to her. And I'm telling you guys right now, some way somehow, she or he's gonna end up finding out without you even putting any effort to them finding out. The only effort you're doing is working on yourselves and putting it on social media. That's it. Let destiny play out itself. Everything's gonna play it how it's supposed to be. Um, but yeah, guys. Again, it's just don't wait. Like, let's say you guys finally move on from this, and you guys do improve yourselves, and you guys get into other relationships. Don't wait for you guys to break up to start auditing your life in ways that you can realize what you could have done better. Don't wait till the end, guys. If you wait till the end, you're gonna lose all the time. Continuously maybe every month or every 2 weeks, every other month, whatever the case may be, audit your life. See what you could be doing better and fix it. Improve it. And it's so simple, guys. It really is that simple. Just keep auditing your life over and over again, and you're going to find success. You're going to see what's your weakness points, and you're going to make those weaknesses into strengths. Simple as that.
Boss is
But yeah,
coming
guys.
in 30 minutes.
That was weird. Anyway, but yeah, guys, if there's one thing that I want you guys to take out this video, guys, is always improve yourself, guys. Simple as that. Always find ways to improve yourselves, and don't give up. Just don't give up. And if you feel like quitting, just know that quitters never win. If you're gonna quit now, what else are you gonna quit in the future? Keep striving for success, guys. Even in the struggles, you gotta push forward. And if you ever need to talk to somebody, my social media, my Twitter, my email, it's down in the description below. Go ahead and hit me up, guys. For the most part, I'll respond within a day. Sometimes within 30 to an hour, I'll probably be responding if I'm not doing anything at that exact moment. But you're not in this alone, guys. Someone will always be there to help you guys out. I'm one of those people. There are a lot of YouTubers out there, a lot of coaches who know a lot more than I do, and they're great at what they do. So, guys, again, you're not alone in this. But yeah, guys, that is for this video. Honestly, that's all I want you guys to know. If you like the topic, you like the idea, you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. I will be uploading more videos. Like I said, it's gonna be at least 2 videos per day for the time being. And if you guys have any comments of the video or any comment ideas or ideas for the next future videos, leave it down in the comment section below. Um, but that's it, guys. For my men out there, stay strong, stay masculine. For my female viewers, just stay strong. And if you're going through a breakup, guys, push through, persevere, and you'll find success at the end of the road. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.